Some frequent mistakes that I see organizations, leaders make in the space of dealing and addressing racism, particularly in the space of diversity, equity, and inclusion, are platitudes. Donations and support and statements are deeply important, and I think they're necessary. They also have to be followed up with some significant action. The pandemic has certainly given a lot of organizations the opportunity to really look at our purpose and to be very much more purpose-driven. We've taken the position to do both a quantitative and a qualitative analysis of how bias is showing up in the employee life cycle. But until you can understand what's causing the issues of bias to show up and where you then have to root them out, then you won't really be able to make lasting change in these efforts. What I would recommend is taking some responsibility and accountability for your own knowledge and your own journey as an ally and as a partner to eradicate inequality and racism. My name is Camila Mitchell Thomas, and I'm ready to make change.